evening. It is time for your final comedian of the afternoon. So make some noise for not one comedian, but actually 3 comedians. It's Jahnnalee and the Furry Kiddos, everybody.
Gotta get situated. Okay. Who changed out the stool? I made this specific for the stool. You're gonna get mad at me. Oh, where are you going? Oh no, she's loose. Oh no, she's gonna be done because I don't have it situated. Okay. You see him? Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? We're finally ready. And the bidding will start at... Oh, you stop! Oh, you guys. Oh, I'm winded. Okay. So we're Jahnnalee and the Furry Kiddos. Thank you. This one is Gizmo. This one's Starleena. Yup. And I'm a dog momager. Yeah. Yes, Gizmo, after the show you can have your tequila. Oh my goodness. But yes, my dogs are working actors. They have their own IMDb page. I know, it's nice. I just don't like to look at Gizmo's page because he has more acting credits than me. And he knows it. Look at that. Just so the back can see you. Oh, I know. But yeah, my dogs are working actors. And I am their bitch. Well, I don't mind though, because they can pay for things. Like their food, their toys, and my Botox. So they can't see how jealous I look. Starleena wrote that joke. But my dogs, they actually are a pretty big deal on TikTok. Woo. Thank you. The one woo in the back. We will take it. But we do have multiple viral videos, which is tough because of the negative comments we receive, like, you putting dogs in clothes is abuse. You should be reported to the Humane Society. You should wear more makeup. Have you ever seen someone juggle puppies? I used to have 3 dogs. We won't do that again, Gizmo. So, I'm diagnosed with anxiety and PTSD. Yeah, so this was a great idea. My therapist said that we need to work on... Okay, you want to tell the joke, Gizmo? Here you go. And he's always quiet every time. Are you sure? Wait for it. He's like, wait, why is everybody paying attention to me, Mom? Oh, he's too cute. But anyways, I know he's gonna go again. I'm just in case. So my therapist said we need to work on, not needing my dogs as much. Where I can leave the house and go places without always having to bring them. So, I'm looking for a new therapist. So, I'm actually really good at training dogs. I can get a dog to sit, but I just can't get a man to stay. But I don't want a boyfriend. I don't. But people are always like, Jahnnalee, don't you want someone to pay for things? No, I don't need a man for that. You know, like, I'm an independent woman. I got my dog's credit card. I do. Okay, and here it is. So drinks are on Gizmo and Starleena. We're Jahnnalee and the Furry Kiddos, and someone has to pee. It's me. Thank you.